Welcome to Mackay City Auto Group's new self check-in and check-out for our service department. We know your time is valuable, so we have made it as easy as possible to have your new car serviced with us. Whether dropping off and picking up outside of our open hours or simply wanting to skip the queue, we have state-of-the-art technology allowing you to securely drop off or pick up without ever having to line up or even enter our service reception. When dropping off, arrive, park, lock your car and make your way to the self check-in lockbox. Using your phone, scan the QR code and enter your details. Name, rego number, phone number, any additional information, read the disclaimer and tick the box. Then remove your vehicle key and place it in the key box. Note, we only need your car key. Please remove any other keys. Thank you. We will service your car from here. We will contact you when your car is ready for collection and send you a message via text with a code. To collect your car, return to the key box, use the code that you have been sent and retrieve your key.